Welcome to Loussac Place, where families grow.
A partnership between Alaska Housing Finance Corporation and Cook Inlet Housing Authority to create much-needed quality, affordable housing in Anchorage.
We invite you to take a tour and meet some of the families who now live at Loussac Place.
Our new home is beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you for a new space.
Partnering with AHFC and Cook Inlet Housing is a worthy investment. It makes good business sense and it builds our Anchorage community. We all benefit from the creation of affordable housing.
Thank you for our new home.
Loussac Place is a great addition to Anchorage, creating more affordable housing in a manner that's livable and consistent with the vision of making Anchorage the best city in America to live, work, and play by 2025. It's a win-win for all of us.
Loussac Place gave us the opportunity to bring local talent together to meet the challenge of replacing 62 units of public housing that had served its life cycle with 120 units of affordable housing for people of all incomes.
With our team of local experts and partners, we have reinvented Loussac Manor to reflect the diversity of Anchorage and give more families access to quality, affordable housing.
Loussac Place is modern, affordable, and I love that I can bike to my job downtown.
Welcome home to Loussac Place.
Yeah!